bill. It's unconstitutional. It's going to put us further in debt as a nation.
On KWOS Open Air, Hartswick says a real and state employees will be learning soon whether Governor Jay Nixon has targeted them for funding cuts. The governor presents his annual budget and State of the State address this evening to a joint session of the House and Senate. News Radio 950 KWOS will carry.
People coming in chanting out Mubarak and down Mubarak, which we've been hearing. The most interesting thing, I saw a heart spray painted on a turret of the